Hi guys, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be harvesting some peanuts. These peanuts are a little bit late because I planted this around June. So it's over a month late. I have started pulling some of this and I found a few. So we will see how much peanuts we get from a 4x8 plot that is planted about a month late. So far, the peanuts are already down to the ground and they usually do that. This one is watered using my drip irrigation system. And I've seen some flowers form, not as many as the previous year's peanut garden. It actually is not looking bad at all after pulling a couple of plants. I'm just really excited what I can find in here because whenever you harvest root crops, you just don't know what you're gonna get. So this is another exciting one and we're gonna see here in a little bit how much we're gonna get from this. It is a good idea to use a garden fork in digging your peanuts. That way you don't accidentally slice off the peanuts when you dig them up. Let's try this one here. This is the third group of plants. Ooh, look at that. Now some of them are still left on the ground. So I'm gonna be looking for them here. See that one? I have a bowl here where I throw the ones that come off right away. Now going back to this, I'm gonna have to loosen up the soil. The soil in this area is not really that bad. This spot has been watered regularly as well. So it's not as dry as the other areas in my garden. I can even just pull the whole plant. Look at that, guys. Isn't that cool? Really amazing. So I would say it is possible to plant your peanuts in Zone 7 Kentucky in June. However, it would have been much better if I started planting this around late April or early May. So far I have my pile right here. I didn't remove them from the plants yet. I'm just trying to dig them up, and then the ones that come off go into this bowl. And then after I pull all of the plants off the ground, we're gonna start putting all the peanuts here in the bowl. This is the pile of peanut plants that I have just pulled from my earth bed. And look at this, guys. Look at that amazing peanut harvest. So I'm going to pull them off the plant and we will see how much peanuts we get from this harvest. These are the peanuts from one plant and look at that. That's a good number of peanuts and these are mature enough. We have a few that have just started developing. You can't eat the underdeveloped peanuts. But these ones here, the big ones, are good. So if you give this 1 month to grow some more, this underdeveloped peanut pods will get bigger and you'll probably have more harvest. Like this one is a little bit soft. The peanuts inside are not that big yet, but you can eat this one already. This is probably the easiest part of harvesting the peanuts because all you have to do is sit down and pull the peanuts off the plant like this. And then I will set this plant aside because I'm going to put this back where I pulled these plants from in order to protect the ground. We don't want the dirt to be bare, especially over the winter. So we want a good growth of microorganisms in the earth bed or in the raised bed. And so we'll have to protect the plants. Plus, this will decompose and add nutrients to the garden. Of course, things get easier when you get some help. And here is my little helper. This is actually not a bad harvest for a 4x8 raised bed. And the peanuts were planted a month late because I have filled an 8x14x4 bowl. And look at that one, guys. Look at this harvest. Isn't this still an amazing harvest? I hope you enjoyed this peanuts harvest video, and I hope you had a great time planting and harvesting your peanuts as well. Here's another look of our peanuts harvest this year. Isn't that amazing? I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.